Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Maria. I do videos on professionalism, finances, and pretty much life tips in general. If you're new here and you like that type of content, please subscribe and like this video if you're interested in that sort of stuff. For today's video, I'm going to be doing something a little bit different for today. So I'm going to be talking about some new camera equipment I got done, and I'm also going to be trying it out for you guys so you guys can see the difference in camera quality. So for this lens, I'm using the one that came with my Canon Rebel T5i, but then I'm going to be showing on different cameras what's different so you can see with different lenses and you can see with the different cameras how it's different. So without further ado, let's get on with the video. So the first thing that I got, the box is kind of crappy and I had to open it a little bit because it was just so much taped up. So I had to do that, kind of go faster for the video. But the first thing I got was a Canon PowerShot G7X. You can't really see on the box because it's just like so over taped, but that's what I got. So when you open up the box, it comes first with these instructions. First one is just a warranty, and then the next thing is just the instructions of how you do different things on this camera. And now for the fun stuff. So as you can see here, it has a small little battery which goes in the camera and charges and stuff like that. And then you also have this battery compact as well that will charge your battery so it's nice and charged and ready for the day. Now to the fun thing that you all have been waiting for. So this is the camera and I absolutely love it. It comes off like so clean and everything. I love the G7X. I can't wait to take vlogs on this because something you guys had said for constructive feedback is to do something unexpected and in different areas, and it's just so hard to do that without a camera that's smaller. So that's one of the reasons I got this, is so I can come up with more creative content for you guys instead of just a sit down video. And then if you open this up, then it comes out. This comes out so when you're like looking at yourself or filming this way, able to like see yourself while you're recording, which is super nice, so you know where you're going. This also comes out, I don't know why, I couldn't tell you, but it also comes out like this, which is sort of weird. I don't know why, but I don't want to break it, so I'm not going to do that. But pretty much has all the stuff. So the next thing I'm going to do for you guys is I'm actually going to show you how the camera quality is. So the next clip will be a clip of me using the G7X Mark II to see how it looks on camera and if it's better than the camera quality that I already have. And then the next thing I got was the Canon, I don't know if this matters, but I'm just read it out anyway so you know what it is. So it is the EF50mm f/1.8 STM. I don't know if that matters to you, but I wanted to put it out there just in case it does. So for this specific camera, I'm actually not going to show you what it looks like on tape because when I got it, I realized something very unfortunate. You're gonna need a very big space for this camera to work. I was using it earlier just to test it out, and it just like is very close up to your face and there's no way to like zoom in and out of it really. There's only like a thing right here, where you can move it to put it in focus. So I won't be showing this one on camera until I get like a bigger space to film and stuff. So I am keeping this lens, but I'm just gonna wait a little bit to really use it. When you open it up, you can see that it is very wide. It does make for a good shot. That means you're gonna need a way bigger space if it's that wide, because then it's gonna really like get up close up to your face. I have the lens I'm using right now like very far away from my face, and I adjusted it that way on purpose. I really don't have a big space in this area, but yeah, you open it up and it's a lens like this, and then it has a cover in the back, of course, and you can see on the back it's just like really focused. So I do like this camera. I do recommend it. I think it's really great from what I've seen so far in the reviews and the comments. I'm just saying, if you have a small space to record like I do, then I wouldn't recommend this lens to you. Also, another thing that I want to mention, if you're somebody just starting out or a new YouTuber, I highly recommend you get the G7X rather than a Canon T5i camera. Obviously, I'm gonna test this out and I'm probably gonna do an updated review of how I feel about the camera, just in case any issues that there should be known, but I liked the G7X, and the reason I purchased it was because I heard so many other YouTubers talking about it, and also for the reason that I can go vlog on this camera and I can connect it to my tripod too, which is super nice. Also, if you have a Canon G7X, it's gonna make it really easier because I have a really cheap tripod. It's not the best tripod. I'll probably upgrade soon because my DSLR literally like falls off of this tripod. Like, it's really hard to keep it stable. Obviously, it's a minor annoyance, but it's still pretty annoying that that happens. With the G7X, you can get away with a really thin tripod and it's not gonna bother you at all. Canon G7X right here is so light. Tripod's not gonna like fall over or anything because it's probably only like a pound or something. So that's just something to keep in mind when you're starting your channel. I think definitely investing in that rather than a DSLR for your first camera would be smart. But again, I'm gonna do an updated review once I really like play around with the camera and stuff and tell you guys if that is still how I feel about it, but that's just my first impression of it. But that completes the video for today. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you're currently subscribed and you like these product reviews, let me know because I always like to do a little shopping, so I can definitely do more product reviews if that's what you guys are interested in. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you in tomorrow's video. Bye!